Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, August the 30th, 2012, and here's today's After the Bell Market Summary. Well, guys, it doesn't look good today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ES here. The ES opened at 1402.25, closed at 1397 or so. So we closed down about 5 points or so from the open, but in general, from yesterday's opening on the ES from 415, we opened here at 1407, and today we closed at 1396.75. And what is going on right now, I do not like, especially if you're looking to get long, and we could have a possible bull trap scenario with a lot of people getting caught on the wrong side of the trade for the past 1, 2, 3, even 3.5 weeks here. Everybody that got long about 14, above 1400 could be in a nasty trap right here. And the reason why I say that, right, if you guys been watching my videos for the past couple weeks here, you guys will know that we've been tracking this key trend line. We've been tracking this key trend line here. Let me put the, hold on 1 second, guys. All right, we've been tracking this key trend line from the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern that we broke down out of here back in May. All right, and you can see here we got back above that trend line, and once we got back above the trend line, we grinded a bit higher there, got that nice pop. Then guess what happened? We had that nice reversal day last week, Thursday, and ever since then we just began this choppy kind of action, slow grind, up action, and guess what? Now we have a potential of a possible head and shoulders pattern that could be in play. Left shoulder right over here, head being this little fake out we had last week from the reversal candle, right shoulder being this action right here. Or even if it's not a head, even if you can't picture it as a head and shoulders pattern, just look at the whole point that this was a key trend line that we had trouble breaking back above, right? This was a neckline, this was a back test, we failed, we came back up, got that big rally up on that, I think that was a jobs number day. And then ever since then we've been grinding higher, and then this past 2 weeks have just been just slow, low volume, choppy action. And as long as we hold below 1400, then this action right here is going to be a bull trap, and we're going to get some serious selling. Notice at the same time we're right at this key trend line, this little key upward trend line here from before, and definitely we take out this 1390 area, you can just say it's game over, and everybody's, we're going to see some nice selling in this market here. Couple things that I don't like that happened today here. Take a look at this Amazon stock, all right? I'm going to bring it up on the daily chart here. Amazon. All right, Amazon had a nice little breakout today, made new highs, and was not able to hold its gains. Reversed pretty nasty intraday. I was actually trying to trade that for a bottom, for a nice little bottom bounce, I believe, around this area right here, and this thing just started dumping. I had to get stopped out of this trade for a small loss. But in essence, I mean, it gave you a nice little fast move. Right here when it pulled back, it was trying to hold that 38.2% retracement area. Definitely failed. Market started selling off, and this thing just took a tumble. Tried to bounce and couldn't even recover. You can see here, try to get back above this 247 half level and just could not do it. Either way, keep an eye on this stock here. If this stock starts to break down here, this is going to be a nasty trap, and then this could possibly be a nice little area to get short the stock, as it is coming into a double top here from the 2011 October levels here. So in any case, as long as it remains above this 8 EMA, 8 SMA, yeah, it's going to be in good shape. But this type of action is not, I don't like this type of action. And if you're bullish on the market, you would have rather much like this Amazon to hold its gains. So in any case, Apple, another big stock here that we must be paying close attention to. Apple down $10 a day, trying to break below its 8 EMA and 8 SMA. If this stock holds below, say, the 670 area, you have to expect the stock to trade back down towards 648 and touch these key moving averages right here around the 20 SMA, 20 EMA around the 650 level. All right, taking a look back at the SPY. I don't want to skip over the SPY because I know a lot of you guys watch the SPY. Taking a look at the SPY. SPY was able to hold the 140 level, so that is a key level that we're working off of right there. But notice how we're closing below. We have a nice close below the 8 EMA, 8 SMA. Have a nice close below the 20 EMA and SMA on the daily time frame. If we continue to hold below these key moving averages, and we break below 140, you want to be looking for a move back down towards the 50-day exponential moving average around 138.5, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's take a look at a couple other stocks that are in play here. Google actually held up pretty decent today. All right, held up pretty decent day. Just a little inside day. Yeah, it was down $6 from the gap down, but nothing too crazy there. not as bad as action intraday as Amazon or Apple. Let's take a look at ExxonMobil. Take a look at a couple of the energy stocks here. ExxonMobil, you can see the stock cannot break above 88. As you guys know, 88 is the key resistance level from last year. You can see it try to break above that level this year. Back here, 3 weeks ago, and it cannot get above 88. That's not good action right there. Shows me that stocks just are not ready to go yet. And if you've been trading intraday and you've been trying to take the momentum moves where you're trying to buy the breakouts and short the breakdowns, that is not working. The reason why I say that because this past couple of days I've been trying that and it's definitely not working. You either get out for a small gain, take that profit, or just take a flat on the trade, and that's what I've been having to do, take flat on those trades. You have to take those in this environment. You really have to take your profits pretty quick, or they just come right back to a flat or a stop out. So make sure you're very cautious of that right there. We take a look at the indices here on my other screen. The Dow Jones was down 106. All right, close to 107 points there. Closed at 106. Closed down 106.77. The Nasdaq was down 32 and a half. S&P 500 was down 11 points. All right, weakest index today on the board was the Nasdaq, and just red across the board, guys. So again, I'm going to go back to this daily chart here, the ES, and show you guys that we could be in the potential for a big trap right here on the daily time frame if we do not get back above this key trend line from this neckline, and if we do not get back above this key 1400 level. All right, you guys can see the trap there is clear as day, and I've been highlighting this out to you all. So if this does play out, we'll be able to execute a trade to the short side with more confidence. So anyway, keep an eye on that right there. Let's take a look at the GLD real quick here. All right, GLD, nice little pullback. Looking for a pullback in the GLD, maybe back, even if it comes back down towards 157, that will still be in good shape, as that is a trend line from the breakout right here. All right, so when you break a trend line, you just get your breakout, you get your back test, which hopefully it's a higher low that's put in from the key pivot levels from over here, and then you get that move up. All right, so in this case, we'll have a pullback right here, still respecting these little pivot levels from right here, and then a move higher. If we don't pull back that deep, well, that's even better. We could get that's basically going to show us some nice relative strength if gold does not pull back all the way down there to get an official back test of the trend line that it broke, which you can see from these highlighted yellow oval areas right here. So keep that on watch as well. Taking a look at crude oil, I'm just going to just take a look at the USO right here. All right, USO holding 35. Still looks pretty healthy there. If it goes below 35, we can get a nice little push down towards 34, 35, back towards this area. Let me put the moving averages up on the chart so we get some relevant levels to work off of on a moving average basis. And you can see here the 50-day simple exponential moving average is around 34.41. The 50-day simple moving average is around 33 and a half there. All right, that's really all that I wanted to cover today. Not much action on my side. I mean, I was watching the Amazon, and that trade was not working as I didn't catch a first rip on the open, so I tried to buy the pullback, and that's when the market started coming in. What else here? Let me just flip through my notes real quick here. CIEN wasn't played today. As a matter of fact, Pandora wasn't played today. A couple guys in the chat room caught this, and if you're not in our chat room, you want to go to mywallstreettv.com, type in the password SMART to get access, and make sure you check out our website, wallstreettrading.com. We actually just hooked it up. We actually just redesigned the whole website as far as, not the whole website, but we redesigned the My Wall Street TV page so you can actually catch all our videos right here with this little cool feature that we have right here. And it's pretty good, so check it out, wallstreettrading.com. And in reference to Pandora, wow, I didn't even trade the stock today, but look how this thing just reversed, gave back its whole day. Not good at all. That type of action just shows you that people are selling. And then again, if we get that trap on the ES, that could be in play. I mean, everybody's been waiting for this Fed speech tomorrow by everybody's been waiting for Ben Bernanke's speech tomorrow at the Jackson Hole, and everybody's been waiting for it. So if he doesn't say anything in particular that people are looking forward to, then we definitely could get some more selling pressure like we got today, but in a more fierce manner, I guess you can say. But at the same time, I mean, volume's pretty low. It's holiday. We're going into a holiday week, and most traders are probably not even trading this week. So who knows? We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see how we close the week after tomorrow. So hope you guys had a great trading day today. Make sure you go to our Facebook page, Wall Street Trading. Follow us on Twitter at Wall Street Trade and go to our website, wallstreetrading.com. If for any reason you guys want to send me an email or need to send me an email, contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. If you're a trader or if you're a trading group out there looking for low commission rates, then you want to contact me and I can help you out so you can better your business and save some money. In any case, have a great day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the trading room at 8:30 where we do our pre-market prep. Have a good one, guys. Later.